Assalamu-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is about the accounting principle for the balance of payment that what is the double entry bookkeeping as we already discussed about this topic in the previous class. So the double entry bookkeeping is a method and a current account by directly or in the light of these definition like under this the double entry system credit entry must be equal to the debit entries. So credit entries are required for export of goods and services, income receivable and increase in the liability or reduction in assets likewise. Debit entries are required for import of goods and services, income payable and increase in assets or reduction in liabilities. So for the sake of the record keeping, every transaction is twice. There are two-sided. One is the credit side, and the causes of the this side is outflow of the reserves. The second one is the debit side, and the causes is inflow of reserves. So हमेशा जो outflow होता है वो नेगेटिव में जा रहा होता है, वो माइनस हो रहा होता है, और जो इनफ्लो होता है, जो इनकम आ रही होती है, वो पॉजिटिव यानी कि प्लस का साइन से हम उसको डिनोट करते हैं, वो एड ऑन होती जा रही होती है. सो इफ देयर इज डिक्रीज in the foreign asset in a nation, so we will keep the record twice, and we the credit side, we when there is decrease in the foreign asset in a nation, there is on the debit side there is decrease in foreign asset in a nation, and if there is increase in domestic assets abroad, it means on the debit side we include it as increase in the domestic assets abroad, or we can say that if there is decrease in the domestic liability to foreign, so we include in the debit side as there is increase in domestic liability of foreign. The second entry is if there is increase in the foreign liability to domestic, so we keep the record twice. In this, we will include the debit side as there is decrease in foreign liability to domestic.